In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an overpayment in Xero. Overpayments can occur for a variety of reasons, such as data entry errors or payment mistakes, and knowing how to address them efficiently within Xero will help maintain accurate financial records. We're going to walk through this process step by step, making it easy for you to follow along. So let's begin. First, we need to head over to your Xero account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero homepage. This is your central hub where you can access various tools and features. From here, locate and click on the Accounting tab. This tab is your gateway to various accounting tools and reports that Xero offers. Once you've clicked on Accounting, you're going to see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Chart of Accounts. Your chart of accounts is essentially a listing of all your financial accounts in Xero, providing a detailed breakdown of your assets, liabilities, expenses, income, and so on. It's here where you'll be able to select the specific bill or transaction for which an overpayment was recorded. Navigate through your chart of accounts to find and select the particular bill that includes the overpayment. This part is crucial because you need to ensure you're working with the correct transaction to aid adjusting the wrong account. Once you've identified the bill, you'll notice options to manage it. Now, you'll want to click on the section that allows you to remove or delete the overpayment. This action will display various transaction details, including the overpayment you've identified. This step is important because it highlights the transaction and provides an overview of its components and current status. Next, look for the Options button. Clicking on this will produce a series of options for this transaction. Here, Xero offers different actions you might take related to this specific transaction. We're getting closer to resolving that overpayment. Finally, locate and select the option labeled Remove and Redo. This option is what allows you to effectively delete the overpayment, thereby resetting the original transaction. By clicking on it, Xero will remove the overpayment from your records, enabling you to re-enter the payment details correctly if needed. Remember, if you need to re-record or adjust the payment, ensure the details you input are accurate to prevent future discrepancies. And there you have it. That's how you delete an overpayment in Xero. Take note that these actions cannot be undone easily, so double-checking each step is always a good idea. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope this walkthrough has been clear and helpful. Keep your records precise and have a great day managing your finances with Xero.